So here are the things you're gonna need: a hair serum, which is pretty much optional. It just make your hair smoother, and a hair wax, clay or anything will work. It is just to seal that volume. And we also gonna need some hair comb, or only a hair comb. Any kind of comb will work, like a bigger one or even a smaller one. And we also gonna need a hairbrush, and this is also optional because your fingers can do a good job. And obviously we're gonna need a hair dryer. A basic one will work, nothing more fancy. So we're gonna start with taking a hair serum, and we're gonna need just 4 to 5 drops will do the job, and we have to apply it evenly on our hair. The serum will make our hair smoother and more manageable. Make sure you apply it all over your hair. And after that, the next step is to use a comb, and here I'm pushing my hair from my left to my right. This my usual hairstyle looks like. And after that, I'm pushing from front to back. It will just help us to build some more volume. And after that, your hair should look something like this. This is just the first step. And now we're gonna need a hairbrush and a hair dryer, and we have to turn it to the maximum heat and blow setting, and we have to repeat the same procedure as we did with the comb. And this is the first step. We are making sure that our hair goes in the right direction, on the direction which we want them to go. Okay, so we're doing it for 45 to 1 minute. We have to switch from brush to our hand and just give it a little wiggle thing. And we have to just make sure we scruff it out in right, left and every direction. It will help us to build some volume, and your hands gonna do a good job. Okay, after doing this, your hair should look like this. This looks like you have got the volume, but trust me on this, it won't even last even an half an hour. So for locking this kind of volume, we need some hair wax. I'm just using a little bit. Make sure you apply the hair wax, avoiding touching your scalp. And now we're gonna need a comb with wider teeth, and this is just for the texturing. You can totally skip this option if you want to. I'm just using it to give my hair a little bit of texture. And after styling your hair, this is the final look which I got from just a normal hair dryer and a little bit of patience. Hope you like the video.